Hi everyone, Jesse Griggs here from the Omaha Conservatory of Music with a quick tip. If you want to get great sound, you need a great bow hold. And a couple of things I'm always looking for in a great bow hold is number one, I want my hand to look as natural as I possibly can. So I'm going to start by dropping my hand and shaking it out so that it's super relaxed. I'm going to bring it up without moving my fingers around. You notice I'm not flexing my fingers, but I just shake it out, bring it up, and I look at it, and it's nice and curly. I stick it in my hand on the bow, pinky on top, and just let everything be nice and relaxed. Another key that I'm looking for is I want to have my thumb and my second finger, the middle finger here, right across from each other. That gives me the best control, so I can move the bow laterally like this with the pinky and the first finger. I can also move it up and down, pivoting around that thumb. So there you have it. Great bow hold, curvy fingers, not too much space between the fingers, second finger across from the thumb, very relaxed, natural bow hold. Hope you can try this and it'll make you a better player.